Governor for inside Norwest, Adolf Lele Lafrique, he don't beg teachers and for inside university for Bamenda. Say may they no go for vex, may they no make strike for Sika Palavatin, where it happen for them. Sabi saying Dongame way pass for inside university for Bamenda. This sometime after where university teacher them we talk say he don't too much, he can't make and governor except he don't promise. Say just now, uniform people them they go shidon for that C-bend where they ever to stop. Teacher them where they go for inside university for Bamenda. Now so to teacher them too, they don't talk say they go so remain for continue for teach. So that 3 day where they don't talk say they no go day school. School it go so pass. Dongamen it just finished for inside university for Bamenda. As well they talk for this side. University teacher them they don't talk say they go small worker for vex. Before Vice Chancellor this morning time, then they go for Governor office on Tuesday. Then they no go teach speaking them for 3 days. This one now after we one of them come be them, Dr. Mbifi Richard, where he been a head boy for administration and even other thing them for inside University for Birmingham. They be shoot in moto yesterday as we in the go school. So no nothing, it no go happen. Governor don't promise say security it go day. So for on top this palaver for security. Grant and go, he don't talk say just now. Okada people them for inside Bamenda, they no go carry 2 people them again on top them Okada. This one he talk as we this home. It be happen security in Dongamen for inside Bamenda. It be dinner for Thursday inside Torito for this afternoon. We go discover village them where they call them Sek Behag and even Bangope. Behag, he no get roads, he no get even palava for water. Why Bangope was pity where they build them. Doctor they no dey for inside at all. Sabi say tomorrow for Bafusam na big day for Kradai for people them where they die for Sekadi landslide where it pass. It go be na national Kradai where they go happen for inside Bafusam. Chief Dr. Joseph Jongute he go dey present for Chewen Kunkuma get for Shidon. Big part up for this afternoon in the tell we say person where he get posh belle and he toilet dey for outside. He know the fear devil. As a person where he get posh belle and toilet he dey na for outside. He know the fear devil at all. On Etuge Divine for Isokolo Limbe. Now he send we big part up for this afternoon. Man no run at the turn back. Good afternoon again, country people them. As one are here for we strong number them. After we university teacher they be talk, say they go for strike and they no go teach for 3 days. Last, they don't go down their minds as we Adolf Lele Lafrique, governor, he be meet up them for Dongamen for inside university compound this early morning time. So they don't talk, say university, see Ben, whether they ever attack a teacher them, they go put security for they just now so that teacher them, they go be safe. Now one of the trunk talk that we come out inside university for Bamenda where teacher there be the plan for make worker for vex for before Vice Chancellor office this morning time. We go left that chapter for enter for Victory in the proper we talk palava for underdevelopment where the worry village inside Cameroon. Now for under Cam division country people them village one na the same so na Behag na so farmer people them they dey for inside kaka idede coffee idede but on top all these fine thing the way Behag e get and so country people them water nothing where they never get it don't pass more than 2 years where people them for Behag they never drink clean water where you fit talk say they fit they drink am. Who said they carry their water just now? They carry water now for inside some stream where it the waka. Now for this kind of place where people there they should down for Behag they carry their water for inside. Except say palava for water now one of the big thing that way they worry them. Another big thing where it the worry people them for Behag now palava for lights. They say they don't come put them pole and even rope where they show say current again for the pass for inside Behag, but more than 2 years where the pole they turn up where they don't even rot in so they fall. people them for Beyak, they never even see one eye current where he enter for their house. So it means say the people them, they dinner for inside darkness, according to Tori where he enter for we ear. All rope the way they pass him, he don't throw away for ground. Beyak, he dinner for inside a place where they call him saying Dobian subdivision from Camp division. Now for Douala side here, so the talk, so the population they ask, waiting they don't do. Even government technical school where they get them, they get fine government technical school. But problem for them, I say, picking them all, they don't run go for town. They say even one eye teacher, you know, they for inside this government school. Fine government school, no person, you know, they for day at all at all. Some of the problem them, where people them for Beyak, they get them. Just now, make we hear way to a par, a talk for we, on top this palaver for lights and water for inside Beyak.
Oh man, they for look up. Let me know way. Then put latte. We don't look na rope. Where they pass oh, we don't see fire oh. No one in a tree at this. When a couple in one so, then say we vote. We don't vote. We not see them. We don't like Kurang the pass. Man fit down for you. Any day they down because road no day. For Gabba go riba fang we no finish. Because road no day. No motor no day. Where road no day. They don't look at you look this one so. They say people and they will don't come day. Who's that in day? Man they sick. They don't put canacity for bush before they give hell no nothing, no day. Governor don't send we sit for ya. They say governor, they don't send Biking. Oh Biking, then they for a tongue. And no we go for Bafang because road no day. We there for ya, we not get shape teach and them. No one will hell away. They say we vote, and I will vote we all because we there for ya we let Pombia. But you know the leg we for ya. We know so all we.
Yes, Pa, before you go, the last thing we talk, you say what?
And I will report you because we there for ya we let Pombia. But you know the leg for ya. We know so all we.
Well, we go remain for inside that village where they call them say Beyak. Now for talk, chapter now for roads. As we are talk, now people the way they get plenty in them. We they so God he don't give them for them. They get all kind of better chop the way they feel for chop. They get even kaka, they get coffee, all thing there for them. But who side they go carry the planty cuckoo and all thing where they plant for take and go for main town for go sell. Problem day. Now road this way it dey for inside Beyak where when rain it fall. Poto where the day you know the even see same motor he enter for inside that village. And this road one at the CM so now road way normal now council people them from Dobian and where they did look at them now for under and Camp division. They be already put date the road it be already finished now by now for sika say na 3 months where they be get for use and for fix this road. But the road it also so turn up it dey look people them for that side and so now go see them for board. They be start the road now for number 8 day for inside April moon for this very year and normal the road it be get for don't finish since but now so the road it don't only the chakara even bridge yourself it don't cut where the make motor them they know the gree enter for inside Beyak where when person is sick they only get for carry am go for outside for that side. So for Bafang big caterpillar they but the road it don't just stand up it dey look place motor themselves they just can pass even time wey poto dey no nothing e need the show for that side. So for Beyak according to where this plank wey dey nail am so e show we e dey try for tell we say na work wey e dey so e get for be for 3 months as so we go dey count down small time. They don't talk say na 3 months they start for number 8 day inside April moon and they be get for finish for inside number 7 number 3 months it already pass. That road is also dey as so e dey. Make we hear one a time again wait wey the repeat tell we palava as we Beyak e dey.
As you receive you say look on the highway day. So far we dey for ya it don't pass the mark. We the car any day from governor you know day for LA we don't know you say we see on the highway day. Beyak don't being so. Una black bush una watch road no day. Water no day for ya how you see we suffer so. Look all place. Jalami say you know don't know the camp and they don't know for Beyak for ya. Governor to know the hell we look Latin no day. When I don't look so far, man they go for water, baby water pong no day. Now you don't block them so. We there for ya for go for bank camping for them we no release show. No pay no day will go. We don't tell you for ya no nothing no do for Conde. We the suffer we know the chop. They say why don't come out. Why you come out for who camp man now? Governor know the hell we for ya. We don't touch na so. Woman the suffer for go for farm. We there for ya. We will plantain them. We will burn like cacao with the coffee. Coffee said no abam here. We there for ya. We will not day. No coffee no abam, and we never so for ya. That time when you buy with coffee said every
we go take una enter for another village wey just dey for corner Beak na for Bangope. Inside this village too, one of the main thing wey people dey do am for day na palava for kaka wey dey use am for make their own money. For sika say na people there wey they don dey work na only for inside farm. But the kaka una dey see am so, they say people they never come buy am for sika palava say road iwowo for that side, so for inside Bangope. But one of their big problem na for this hospital country people them, they get fine hospital for day as soon as the CM na hospital in Gomna e don build am level for people them for Bangope, but no one doctor dey for inside that hospital according to tori wey enter for we EM. They say even them say wey they know well that they ever go na for Bafang for go look at them skin, and the hospital as soon as the CM as wey they talk for we, e don turn a place where people they can't smoke cigar, place where they drink hot mimbo. Sometimes they say they chop soya for woman them as we to re-enter for we ear. If una see the hospital, it show same they only build am, level no nothing. It never enter for inside that hospital. Some people they say where they find the kind of fine hospital where they feel even start for do something for they never fit for see am. But this one where it dey for inside Bangope for under Ndobian subdivision for inside Nkam na place where people they cry for sika say the hospital they don't only abandon them. Now on top they can bed them where people they can't sleep for day, rape even other woman them, door them or they don't rot in, people that they drink them in board, do all thing inside hospital. It make population for that side, they ask na question, if na say they only forget, minister for sick people them, as Sabi say they follow Tori in the proper. Now for you for enter for talk this palava, we go hear people them too for inside Bangope, they talk for we countryman, Gaston.
Don't believe we split up for Bangope. Now, infirmier, no one infirmier, not come for death, for Halloween. That would the sick. No man will go one kidney, no day. But for them, why say carry for good for Bafang with the daft, so we will bring the daft for root for Bafang.
You don't turn a horse for Njomba people and a horse for play card. I beg governor when I Halloween, when I send me even one man for say Halloween for the hospital because they don't believe since 5 years or 7 years.
Over time, without doctor, put up for now. So have without doctor, no, for man not do that, no, if you, no one should not do that. Hospital will try helping nurses for inside, for whole. Once they help with that doctor for sending personnel, say when the thing have it, between them.
for.
Yes, not just so the hospital did as soon as the Siam country people them. Just sabi say for Sika Palava say hospital no the waka inside that village. Now for corner side where people them just now they buy medicine for drink as we to enter for we EM. Now some pass up where we say the party come up for Bafang, it come for inside Bangope. When mommy them so they hear hot, they go meet up na ye. No ask me whether the pa even get certificate for say make he sell medicine. That one I no go fit for answer you, but he come up for Bafang, he enter for Bangope, for Shidon for day for some time, for sell medicine for roads. No ask me, sell this medicine for people them, when a thing self way, he no over correct, as soon as Sabim. Make we hear the pastor self, he talk on top this palava, where he come sell, he come on a Bafang all time, for enter for Bangope.
Because don't make long time, where daughter never work out, plenty people, they die for road where they want catch them for bring for Bafang where road no day. Me said I think say governor help people from Bangope say daughter turn fan. I know they come where I defend that so money no I defend for fun people say people where you don't pass 7 times where the daughter no day from Bangope because I don't pay for here at the graph of Bafang any day.
We go left palava for that 2 village where they hear bad. We pray as saying governor Sesep and the people there where they don't see them. We go enter just now for on top this road for that side. So for Ebone for under Nolapo subdivision. Sabi say this road will be talk yesterday. We be talk the road to this morning time. But the big victory on top this road no mean a palava, so we turn back for show the same thing. Manadin make we enter for the part 2 for this road where it is so. After where people they see the roads, we will show them yesterday. Con the people them yesterday one time as we they see as we Torias itokam now so to the Kunkuma run they go through a gravel on top this road. So we go show now as we they don't go through a gravel for say they lock all the whole the way they did for on top that road. Now after we Tori house it talk this palava, so they turn back for Sika the will meet up and for roads. Now they gravel them that where they don't throw it and where they go use them for block that road them at least for help say make motor they pass small even as well when they go put that gravel motor they also can pass. But sabi say now after we Tori house it passed Tori yesterday. Now way people then say they go through this gravel for day for say may they take fix the road small before they wait main governor say it can do something. So now they walk that another pass mark where Tori house it don't get them on top the walkway it do them inside we country. We go left that chapter for road just now. We take una, we go for inside with the turn back for Douala here. For talk Palavas place the way people them the shidon. With danger, it did plenty. And we go continue for talk. This one, na quarter way they call am say Mboko. It is under Douala 3 and the Mboko, see, una see this stick no? Now the stick then that way they take support house. Una see am? Now the stick that they take support house. Now for tell you say they don't dig the place. Dig am so they even they have na place to put the she don't place to put the go use am like toilet. Now the place that they don't go place so they put na stick. How they just they suspend for air. Now where people they ask and say this kind of people them. This kind of place so they she done them know the fear. They talk say no na so the place before they say na for sick say people they don't come dig ground for them. Now way in make them now so the place it don't turn as way they. So people they say for inside Mboko for side where they call them say Educateur, now the quarter name that. Now the place that way they so people they cry say someday we go hear something. See side where people them toilet the day it just hang now on top here. When they talk this palava for sick say thing way happen for West region. It never come up for we mind. We no one hear Sunday say some other place for inside town it don't craze. So we the talk to say make authority them the big people them for country them to they try for take some small step them where they go make them say people the way they for this kind of zone them whether they get land certificates or they no get them they commode them for sick and say last now so gum na name they go call them say they no be talk time where they be see the thing now. So on top this chapter sabi say Professor Maurice Kamto ISSF he be there for inside Bafusam he be there now for a Thursday and the population be come out. Sabi say this palava to happen for Guashiem now the thing where carry Professor Maurice Kamto enter for inside Bafang. All the roads as well Professor Maurice come to the Wakam now so population be come out. They even block motorway be done for them as well now they see population where they turn up they all them they be there present. Professor Maurice come to if you want go talk Asia too for the people the way they get a cry die and people them to their house a chakara for inside place where they call them say Bafusam now so to the population be come out you know be even gree say make Maurice come to he come out for outside Tiranua when they see too he be there one of the people them Bibu Nisak, all them, they be there as well their big man, Professor Maurice Kamto, he be enter for inside place where they call him say a Bafusam. We left that chapter for Professor Maurice Kamto. We enter to for chapter for thief just now. Sabi say near them for upside for Yawende. They don't put hand for 5 thief people them where they talk say they suspect. Say na them be enter inside some motorway be come up for Yawende. It go for Bafusam for number 25 breaking 26 day for October moon. According to way Colonel SSF it talk. Now after that attack where then say they enter for work for ground for try for get in investigate, sabi who side the thing happen. After they investigate, now we they catch 5 of these boy them where it dey, so they get hand for that thief where it be passed for inside that motor. And just now, according to Wetiwe Colonel e talk, e tell with you say they don't already sabi with the number 6 thief man e dey, and anytime from now they go catch the number 6 thief man. According to Wetiwe they tell we inside Obala where they go find a house, they meet up cutlass, they meet up even the one they use and code name, and they meet up plenty thing and then gone where they meet up and for inside the house. They say the thief people them they dinner for inside 2 groups. So one they work from Fundi and Lekie, another one they work for that side from Bam. So just now these 5 people they dey from Gata, as we near them they prepare for catch the number 6 man with the Sabisa way it already she done. We go take una just now, we enter for another chapter, Palava for Norwest and Southwest, Gratango, Ebide for Bamenda. Wanna see that motor for police. Motor for Ketu, na bullet we don't pass for skin, so na iwe the tell we say condition for Bamenda na lock mop. Yes, condition for Bamenda na lock mop. Only bullet the way they don't enter the motor is skin. It tell we the kind of way people them for Bamenda say they she done. But just now we hear say place it don't quiet. So inside security meeting we grant and go it be happen with Ketu them, near them and other soldier the way they be there. Grant and go, it don't talk say now for look as well the condition them, and now for the security meeting we don't talk say Okada people them for Bamenda say small time they no go they carry 2 people them again on top their Okada. Yes, according to Grant and go, he say if you don't give them long rope, say may they make their book them, may they paint color them for Okada and they wear something we go identify them. Say they come up for so and so side. So just now he don't talk say that one don't end, and he want to say Okada people they start carrying a one person on top them skin as part for as security for Bamenda. But just now as we are talk, place a quiet, no nothing never happen. But when you see that motor for uniform people them, it go tell you as well the place it is used for hot when it want for hot. So Okada people them now the way they don't talk say one person they go carry them. So no bache again. We remain for inside Bamenda for talk say plenty council the day we they know the work again. Now find house that when for the way Santa council the day, but just now as well the talk council it don't dey lock. Yes, fine house so they don't abandon them for that side. So for Santa now council building that for Santa on the see am so as well the talk all the door them they don't lock, place it dirty, grass it don't grow for all corner, and even the door themselves for inside them now only a spider web and the cobweb way it don't flop for all side. For tell we say Santa it dey quiet. House they know they use them. When you see people them so they use they don't open some sides. Sabi say na some gando or maybe some dye where they don't bring them, where they hire the hall one side where they open them. See all window them it tell we say true no nothing. You know the pass for inside place where they call them Santa council way it is so now one of the council them when motor they turn up so it means say na dye they don't bring them where they don't hire hall or big gando it dey happen. But other side for Santa council all place it don't quiet. So for inside Santa Day, we look as well the post office for Santa. They don't abandon them too. Country people them. Now post office that for Santa subdivision for inside place where they call them say and Norwest. Just now for Sika popcorn with the halam post office, you know the work again. Now waiting grass it don't cover the whole place, and the only man we don't get that post office just now. Now Christmas. Now Christmas they use the post office. So now they say I'm now Christmas now way they use the post office for that side. So now he cargo than that. When he go turn he can sleep. Now he be the security man now. So for that side all place it don't quiet for Sika till way the pass for inside Norwest and Southwest. We finish story for this afternoon. Country people them as soon as this also see image for Santa at post office where grass it don't cover them. We talk Palavandamba way go happen this weekend for Elite One. Country people them Young Sport Academy UMS have Young Star Trainer Bambutus Fuvu Tonne he go meet up with IS Fortuna Dragon he meet up with Canon Pantem he meet up with Union Eding he meet up with Apeges Column he meet up with Future then Cotton Sport for Gadwa he go knock Ndamba Ndamba with PWD for Bamenda. Yesterday, Ndamba says it be finished after we be don't start how the result it be day. Make we try for see result for Ndamba we pass yesterday. UMS NAC start now 1-0, Panther, Bambutus not, Union NAC Avion 2-1, Apejes 3, Dragon 3, IS Fortuna 1, Eding 2, Feche 2, Fuvu 1, PWD 1, Young Sport Academy not, Cotton Sport 2, Column 1, Canon not, Tone not. Now the Ndamba that for number 4 day and now I don't see number 5 day where it go come. Newspaper them just now as soon as Sabi we tradition we enter for newspaper way a day for we before for this morning to afternoon. We enter for the guidance post we edit we Presbyterian church people them and even pastor the way they talk say make vote for get new big people them for the church. It no happen now. Why it is so? You feel read them for inside the guidance post number 37 at the year when Kunkuma don she done on top chair. Ngala Gerard time for me Ngala Gerard they talk say come out plenty people them from Cambe for back Kunkuma na the same work that we grad tango he do for Mezam as well they be glad the big day inside the same guidance post. You go read other to read them where it happen inside we country. Just now, make we take una enter for Newswatch we day to for outside this afternoon country people them inside Newswatch newspaper where it day outside waiting day for a Newswatch. We take una, we enter for Watchdog Tribune where they tell we number 37 Bonde, number 37 year when Nkunkuma dey for power, they talk as we dey so Nkunkuma na got igiam for Cameroon according to way Grad and go talk as we they be glad the big day for that side. So for Bamenda, you go read to a concern United States for America where they say they bite, then they blow your skin according to waiting we Watchdog Tribune it talk this afternoon. Other to read them too, you fit for read them inside Watchdog Tribune where it day outside. We go enter for another newspaper we did for we before just now country people them another newspaper we did for we before now the Herald Tribune. Inside the Herald Tribune they tell we as we full Callisto Seseb they don't give Changood say it make plenty people them for come out for number 37 year when Kunkuma she done on top chair inside the watch the Cameroon Herald or the Herald Tribune you go read to a consign this palava with Cameroon it get for bring inside we country 712.5 kilogram them for gas for we country plus another amber boy with they catch it for Nigeria and they go send it for inside Cameroon. We itekuna we enter for another newspaper we will see for we before they post weekender will give for outside con the people them it tell we as when Kunkuma 37 years for on top chair it been a one for people them for cry one the way people they don't vex while some other people them they glad plenty inside the post weekend as help you feel read Tori where it talk say Ahmad he don't make open eye again for Cameroon for Palava for 2021 man Ndamba say if Cameroon no prepare they go come out them again for their hand. We enter for another newspaper too a day for outside con the people them the Voice newspaper we day outside this afternoon it turn back for Tewi Palava Waka for Barrister Ben Muna Sabi say just now today we they come out die body and tomorrow they go bury him. Other strong number the day for inside the Voice newspaper where it day outside this afternoon. Just now we go enter for another one Newswatch inside Newswatch where day for outside it tell we number 37 day when Kunkuma she done on top power Grad Tango for me Gerard Ngala or then they make people them for Mezam and Cambe for come out for talk stand up strong for back Nkunkuma inside the same Newswatch you go read Toriwe consign Stanley Eno where they so they don't talk for it bad for Sika Palava Tiwe Duam for people the way they be die for side from Kwache. Now so today the talk say Amba head boy for that side so from Goketunja they say they don't kill he according to way Newswatch it talk say they kill he as we fight it be happen. Other to read them if you read them inside Newswatch newspaper. Now they told them that for this afternoon country people them as soon as Sabi country we go meet up for PG News debate on Saturday 12:30 sote for 1:30 we turn back for some of the trunk in them we be don't talk inside this week. So man no run. Big thank you for Carlos Minue, thank you to Plenty Ledu, thank you Malis and Nadine. Now sote for 12:30 tomorrow on a whole tight.